Hi guys, my name's Aria Garcia and I'm here to say thank you so much to Dr. Ebru at Atlantic Dental. I'd like to share my dental journey. Prior to coming here, I spoke to a few dentists about my smile. I was very insecure about the alignment in my smile, and I was told that in order for me to have a straight smile, I would have to go to a maxillofacial surgeon, which is a pretty big deal and a huge surgery that would take 6 months to adjust my smile. I just want to let you guys know, prior to coming here, I had dental work done in Colombia, and at the time I was so ecstatically happy, but as time passed by, I started realizing that the centering of my smile really made me insecure. So I started doing research. I reached back out to my previous dentists and dentists all over the world because it was very important for me to make sure that the alignment of my smile was correct. However, none of the dentists were able to do my smile correction without a maxillofacial surgeon, and that really bothered me. It's very important for me to be happy with my smile, and when I came here, the journey, the entire dental office made sure that my insecurities were met. Prior to getting my veneers done, I was very hesitant to smile in pictures. I didn't want to take pictures or smile when people would talk to me. I would cover my mouth. However, when I was in London, the one and only legendary and iconic Chris Martin, I saw his smile, and once I saw his smile, I needed to know who his dentist was. I did my due diligence upon doing research with all these incredible dentists. However, when I came here to Atlantic Dental, they were able to fix that with the experienced team that they have. I know at times we are so hesitant to come to a foreign country because we don't know if there's a language barrier, we don't know if it's safe. However, here at Atlantic Dental, they have people who speak English, everyone understands, and they have translators to be able to communicate that. And another concern sometimes is safety. I felt extremely safe while being here. I enjoyed the food, and the culture is so rich of a historical culture. But most importantly, I'm so ecstatically pleased with the VIP exquisite service that I got, not only from the doctor, but the entire staff. When I came here, I was so scared of getting an injection in my mouth. Now, I don't know what the doctor or the dentist that was in my mouth was doing, but after he put the first injection, I really didn't feel anything else. It was a smooth experience. I'm not gonna sit here and say like I was 100% pain-free. It was a little bit of discomfort when they did the injections inside. However, it is totally worth it. My smile is beautiful. I love the alignment, and I'm extremely pleased with how the staff treated me and how they made sure that I was safe every single step of the way. They've had over 30 years of experience in the field, and it's not just one dentist, it is a team of incredible dentists who work and specialize in different things, from the implantation to gum treatment to flap treatment. Whatever it is that needs to be done, they have a solution for you. It made me so insecure that every time someone spoke to me in the past, I didn't want to take pictures. I didn't want to smile. I covered my face. Now, every chance I get, I want to smile. Every mirror I see, I want to stop. It really has changed my life and already boosted my energy and my confidence to the next level. If it's something you're thinking about it, don't think about it, just do it. And you're going to be safe. I do understand there are concerns like the language barrier. There is concern like safety. However, everyone in the office speaks English, so I felt like I was home. And not only that, their priority is making sure that you are safe, that you are happy, and it is a very safe country. I had an exquisite time, including the food, their culture, and everything. So thank you so much, Dr. Ebru at Atlantic Dental and the entire team. So if you're thinking about it, stop thinking and just do it, and do it now.